Welcome to Apple manufacturing Shenzhen. All personnel must wear safety gear beyond this point. Production starting shortly.
Welcome to Ajay Factory Flow. Before this smartwatch ever reaches someone's wrist, it travels through one of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth. Inside this massive futuristic factory in Shenzhen, thousands of robotic systems work with microscopic precision every single second. From raw aluminum and ultra-thin glass to silicon chips smaller than a fingernail, every component moves through a synchronized industrial ecosystem designed for absolute perfection.
Dimensional calibration on the last batch looks good. Precision is holding at 2 microns. We are clear for the next run.
This is not ordinary manufacturing. This is a world of automated clean rooms, laser-guided robotics, precision electronics assembly, waterproof engineering, AI-powered inspection systems, and endless conveyor highways operating day and night without stopping. Watch closely as robotic arms carve aluminum watch frames with microscopic accuracy, as old displays are bonded inside sterile clean room chambers, as tiny processors are installed by high-speed placement robots, and as every smartwatch is tested, scanned, calibrated, pressure-checked, polished, packaged, and prepared for global shipment. Every movement inside this factory follows engineering logic. Every machine operates with calculated precision. Every smartwatch passes through dozens of inspection systems before leaving the building. And the most incredible part? Most of this process happens automatically. From thermal testing and battery calibration to waterproof verification and robotic packaging, this entire factory behaves like one giant synchronized machine. You're about to witness the full manufacturing journey of one of the world's most advanced smartwatches, from raw materials to finished global export. If you love futuristic factories, industrial automation, robotics, precision engineering, and satisfying manufacturing documentaries, subscribe to AJ Factory Flow and turn on notifications for more cinematic factory documentaries from around the world. Now, let's enter the factory.
Diagnostics on Zone 4 are clear, preparing shipment release.
Confirmed. Rerouting Route A92 traffic to Output C.